Hey there, what's up guys? It's Fergal here and thanks for checking out my review. Now before we get started with the review, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then be sure to check out the first link in the description. Now back to the review. When you pick up this product from the second link in the description, you're going to get my 4 bonuses delivered to you automatically. Bonus number 1 is I'm going to show you how I get 250,000 brand new email subscribers every single Friday. This is not a method, it's not a technique or anything like that. I literally show you where to go, how to pick them up. You get them guaranteed and then you mail them with your self-hosted autoresponder that I also show you how to set up. The self-hosted autoresponder costs between $3 and $12 per month, so it's very, very cheap, even when you have 5 million email subscribers. Bonus number 2 is I'm going to show you the 2023 free traffic method that I'm using right now to get tons of traffic to my websites, offers and blogs. This will be delivered to you as well automatically as a free bonus when you pick up this product. Bonus number 3 is I'm going to show you how to rank all of your YouTube videos first on YouTube so that you can get massive rankings and massive traffic from your YouTube videos to any offer that you want. Bonus number 4 is I'm going to give you your own offer to promote. My Empire course is one of my best-selling courses ever. I'm going to give you 100% commission throughout the funnel so that you can promote it as your own course. So with that said, let's check out what this product is all about. And remember, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then check out the first link in the description. If you would like to pick up the product that I'm reviewing right now, check out the second link in the description. Cheers guys, let's check out what this product is all about.
Opening the Bill Gates interview here. Here it is.
Hey everybody, we're back with Bill Gates.
Okay, just copy this video URL and paste it here. So as you can see, the video is phased by Dubmaster AI, and you can just simply give the name like Bill Gates the video. Okay, and it's automatically phased the main language. So it was in English United States language, and here are the so many languages like 80 plus, as you can see. All right, so suppose if I want to convert it in French, then here is the French language. Okay, you can select the duration as well. I want to dub the whole video, so I'm just leaving it as like this. Now click on dub video. Okay, it's importing right now. Just wait for a few seconds. As you can see, the server is very fast for dubbing. Just few more seconds. It's loading right now. The 95% is done. Okay, so it's done. As you can see, the text is translated, and now the next step is just select your first speaker and second speaker. As you can see, there are two speakers in this video. One is Bill Gates and other one is interviewer. So the first guy is who is taking the interview of Bill Gates. So I have to select the French language here. As you can see, there are so many French guys here. You can simply listen like this.
Bonjour, je suis Bernard. Je peux convertir votre texte en... Bonjour, je suis Daniel.
Okay, I love this voice, so I'm selecting the first person as Bernard, and the second one is, I have to again select the French here, and the second one is...
Bonjour, je suis Benoît. Je peux convertir votre texte...
So I have selected the first person and the second person. Now click on Submit Translation. The editing editor is open. You can play the video here.
Salut tout le monde. Nous sommes de retour avec Bill Gates. Vous avez une nouvelle docu-série Netflix.
So as you can see, the video is now dubbed.
Salut tout le monde.
You can see like there is the subtitle option as well. You can just edit the subtitle like this. You can change the font like this, okay, and you can change the font size. So this one looks good. You can change the font color as well. Okay, I like this one. The position here, like if you want to subtitle here, here, or here, and the background color like this. Okay, so that's it. And the orientation, like if you want to download this video in landscape or the portrait or the square, okay, so there are these options as well. And there is an audio option as well. Like if you want to just stop the original video, and dub audio volume will be like this. You can simply increase or decrease the dub audio volume. Let's just play.
Salut tout le monde. Nous sommes de retour avec Bill Gates. Vous avez une nouvelle docu-série Netflix.
So as you can see, and you can add the background music as well. There are so many, literally hundreds of background musics are here. You can see. Okay, so there are hundred of music backgrounds. You can simply select like this and just add it here. Okay, and now just click on save, and now click on render. Okay, so in just few seconds the video will be rendered. So it's done. Here is the Bill Gates dub video. You can simply download this video here, or if you want to edit it again, just click on edit again and you can edit it again. Okay,
Salut tout le monde. Nous sommes de retour avec Bill Gates. Vous avez une nouvelle docu-série Netflix. Cela s'appelle Et ensuite, l'avenir avec Bill Gates.
Okay, so as you can see, the background music is added and your video is now dubbed in English to French language in just few seconds. So that's it. This is how Dubmaster AI works. So thank you for watching.